Welcome back to Deco Diva, your ultimate destination for all things home decor. Today, we're diving into the art of transforming thrift store finds into charming pieces perfect for an English country-style home. If you're a fan of cozy, timeless interiors and love a good DIY challenge, this is the video for you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support keeps our channel thriving and inspires us to create more decor magic. English country decor is all about creating warm, inviting spaces filled with character and charm. It's a blend of vintage pieces, floral patterns, soft colors, and rustic elegance. This style thrives on storytelling, with each piece contributing to a narrative of comfort and tradition. Imagine cozy armchairs draped with throws, mismatched but harmonious furniture, and delicate china adorning your shelves. By repurposing thrift store treasures, you can achieve this aesthetic affordably while adding a unique, personal touch to your space. When you step into a thrift store, keep an open mind and look for items with potential, not perfection. Focus on materials like solid wood, ceramic, and metal, as these are sturdy and easy to transform. Key items to look for include wooden furniture, vintage picture frames, old crockery, and decorative mirrors. Don't worry if they're a little worn, it's all part of the charm and can often be enhanced with some TLC. One of the easiest and most impactful ways to bring English country charm into your home is by upcycling wooden furniture. A fresh coat of paint in soft tones like sage green, dusty blue, or cream can work wonders. Add details like distressed edges or decoupage floral patterns for that authentic vintage feel. Don't be afraid to mix and match furniture styles, it's all part of the eclectic beauty of this decor style. plates, teapots, and vases are thrift store staples that can add a touch of elegance to your home. Look for pieces with delicate floral patterns or unique shapes. Textiles are a goldmine for achieving the cozy, layered look of English country homes. Keep an eye out for vintage tablecloths, embroidered napkins, and floral curtains. With a bit of sewing, these can be transformed into cushion covers, fabric bunting, or even charming aprons. Mixing patterns and textures is encouraged, so let your imagination run wild. Mirrors are a must-have for any English country-inspired home. They add light, depth, and a touch of elegance to your space. Ornate frames, even if slightly damaged, are perfect candidates for a DIY makeover. You can paint the frame in a soft pastel shade or antique gold for a classic look. Hang them strategically to reflect light and make your rooms feel more spacious and inviting. A gallery wall featuring thrifted art and frames is a stunning way to add character to your home. Look for vintage prints, botanical sketches, and ornate or mismatched frames. Arrange the pieces in a way that feels balanced but not overly symmetrical. The mix of textures and styles will give your wall that lived-in, curated look that's quintessentially English country. Old books with worn covers and handwritten inscriptions are treasures waiting to be displayed. Stack them on tables, use them as risers for other decor, or arrange them neatly in bookshelves. with vintage stationery, ink bottles, quills, or letter holders, for a charming vignette. It's these little touches that make a house feel like a home. Lighting is key to setting the mood in an English country home. Look for thrifted chandeliers, table lamps, or even old lanterns that can be repurposed. A coat of paint, some new wiring, or a fresh lampshade can breathe new life into these pieces, making them focal points in your decor. No English country home is complete without greenery and flowers. Repurpose old pitchers, jars, or baskets from the thrift store into unique planters or vases. Fill them with fresh flowers, dried arrangements, or even faux plants if you prefer low-maintenance decor. These touches bring the outdoors in and add life to your space. Thrift store finds can also be the basis for beautiful seasonal decor. Wooden crates, wreaths, and old glass jars are just a few items with endless possibilities. For example, you can create a spring centerpiece with a painted wooden box, or a cozy fall display with jars filled with fairy lights and autumn foliage. Ultimately, the magic of repurposing thrift store treasures lies in making them your own. Whether it's painting a piece in your favorite color or adding a family heirloom to your decor, personalization is key. These unique touches not only make your home visually appealing but also infuse it with your story and personality. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to turn thrift store treasures into English country charm. I hope you're inspired to create a cozy, personalized space that you love. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Deco Diva. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our decor adventures. Until next time, happy decorating!